Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I finally got my Cricut Explore, well, my Cricut machine basically. Um, it took me a long time to decide on getting this machine because it's quite a big investment, and I wanted to be sure that I'm actually going to use it um, effectively. Because the last time I tried getting an edible printer. I don't regret it actually. I got an edible printer, but I'm not using it as much as I thought I would use it. So most times it's just gathering dust. But this one I felt like, okay, I need to make cake toppers, and I, um, you know, getting customized cake toppers. At the as at now, I normally order from Etsy, and they take some time to arrive. They are quite expensive. You may not get exactly what you want. So having a Cricut machine kind of gives me that flexibility for like last minute orders, and also just being able to do a variety of designs basically. And I hope I'll be able to use it more often. Yeah, so I can maximize it basically. So I got this one from Amazon. It came as a bundle. I got it during the Black Friday deal. So I think I got it like 300 plus pounds. I'll check the exact amount I got it, but it was very much discounted because of that. It came as a bundle, so you can see it's Cricut Explore 4, and it came with this mini press, which I'm not sure I'm going to be using because I'm doing cake toppers. But anyway, I wanted to get it as a bundle because it's had a discount. So yeah, so we're just going to be unboxing it to see what it contains. And yeah, so it came as a bundle, so it already has the materials I'm going to be needing, the cardstock, vinyl, the mats, and all that, um, which is good, so I don't have to buy them separately. And this is like the manual, the setup. Yep. And then this is the machine itself. Um, yeah. Yeah. So this is the machine, and let's see what this one is. These are, well, some tools. You can see there are tools for cutting or lifting things. I'm sure the manual will explain how they are going to be used. And you have the wire for connecting. Yeah, and that's it basically. That is that. I need to set up my machine. So I've downloaded the Cricut design space from the Cricut's website. I mistakenly downloaded the wrong design space from Microsoft's Play Store, and I bought the, well, just make sure that if you're downloading design space, download from the Cricut website, because the fake design space is there. You don't want to spend money buying access for the wrong design space. So yeah, so this is how it looks. This is how mine looks. And I'm just gonna remove that here. I don't know how to use this yet. I'm still learning on the job, but at least I know I can set it up with my design space. So I'm gonna pair it via Bluetooth, and then hopefully I can do more videos as I learn how to use this. I'm gonna do more videos about it. So, but basically, this is still Cricut machine. This is Explore 4. Why did I choose Explore 4? Well, it was also, difficult for me to decide which one to choose because I didn't want something too complicated because all I need to use it for is to make cake toppers. So I don't need to have so many things in it, but I also didn't want it to be too small and not be able to um, make toppers with the materials I needed. So basically, I want to make toppers with cardstock and hopefully with acrylic as well. So that's why I just chose this one because it's also within budget. Cricut Maker 4, I think is the one that has the most versatility, but of course it's more expensive. But with this, I'm good to go. I'm able to make most of my toppers, so I should be able to use my cardstock very well with this. So yeah, and I'm happy with my purchase. And I don't know how this works, to be honest, but I'm going to learn on the job and I'm going to be carrying you guys along. But I just wanted to unbox this to show you what it contains. So if you wanted to go to Amazon, the link is going to be on the description box. It already has the Cricut machine, the materials you're going to be needing, the toolbox, and as well as this Cricut Easy Press Mini. Ciao.